Wars are decided by orders, written on paper, sent by radio, delivered by messengers. But sometimes the most important orders are ignored, delayed, or doubted, and those moments change history.
A military order is simple. Move here, attack now, hold the line. But behind every order is uncertainty. Maps can be wrong, information incomplete, timing unclear. Obedience isn't always automatic.
Some officers hesitate for good reasons. The order feels risky. The situation has changed. The cost seems too high, so they pause. Sometimes that pause saves lives. Sometimes it costs everything.
In war, timing is everything. An order followed too late is often useless. An order followed too early can be disastrous. Minutes matter. Hours decide outcomes.
Sometimes officers disobey completely. They trust instinct. They read the battlefield. They act against instructions. This can lead to brilliant success or total disaster. History remembers both.
Historians ask one question again and again. What if the order had been followed? What if it had been ignored completely? Small decisions create massive consequences. History turns on hesitation.
Most orders are followed, but the rare exceptions stand out because they reveal something important. Wars aren't just machines, they're human. Fear, judgment, courage, all on the line.
One delayed order can lose a battle. One ignored order can win a war. These moments don't look dramatic. No explosions, no speeches, just a choice.
History doesn't always change on battlefields. Sometimes it changes at a desk, with a pencil, and a decision not to obey. If you want more hidden stories from World War II, subscribe for the next episode. Because history isn't always loud. Sometimes it whispers.